In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips and add transitions in InVideo. First, start by logging into InVideo. Open your browser, head to the InVideo website, and sign into your account. Use your own secure credentials and avoid sharing any personal information. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your home base for everything you create. From there, go to your projects. This section stores all your drafts and completed edits. It's a great idea to organize your projects with clear names so they're easy to find later. Locate the project you want to work on and open it. When your project loads, you'll see the main editing interface, the canvas in the center, your media and tools on the side, and the timeline at the bottom. Next, navigate to your layers and timeline. The timeline is where the actual sequence of your video comes together. You'll notice one or more tracks. These are your layers. Think of layers as stacked sheets. Clips higher in the stack can appear over clips below. The timeline reads from left to right, and the playhead shows exactly where you are in the video. If needed, use the zoom controls on the timeline to get a closer view for precise placement. Now drag and drop the clips you want to merge. Grab them from your media library inside the project and place them onto the timeline in the exact order you want them to appear. Position one clip directly after another so they play seamlessly. You'll often see snapping guides that help align clips perfectly edge to edge. If a clip lands on the wrong track, simply drag it to the correct layer. Take a moment to scrub through with the playhead and make sure the flow feels right. Renaming layers can help you stay organized if you're working with several elements. When the clips are in order, add transitions if needed. Transitions help smooth the cut between two clips. Look for the transitions option in your editor, then apply a transition between the clips by selecting the space where they meet. Keep transitions short and consistent for a professional look. Simple fades or cross dissolves often work best. Adjust the duration if the transition feels too quick or too long, and preview your work by playing that section back to check pacing and visual style. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, arranged your clips on the timeline, and added transitions for a smooth, polished sequence. Keep practicing these basics and you'll build a strong foundation for more advanced edits.